Brain power can return even after 60. This title carries both a warning and a promise. The main problem we are addressing is memory decline and brain aging after 60, including issues like forgetfulness, cognitive slowdown, and risk of serious decline. The promised solution is not a miracle pill, but science-based daily habits, nutrition strategies, and lifestyle corrections that can genuinely help restore mental clarity, improve memory, and strengthen brain function. This matters because memory decline is not just inconvenience. It can steal independence, identity, relationships, and quality of life. But science shows the brain can repair and rebuild, even after 60, if given the right support. Let us begin with something many people never hear clearly. Memory decline is not guaranteed after 60, but neglecting brain health absolutely increases the risk. Studies show brain shrinkage accelerates with age. People with uncontrolled blood pressure have up to twice the risk of cognitive decline. Diet choices can significantly increase dementia risk. Loneliness damages the brain as severely as heavy smoking. And still, many seniors ignore early warning signs, like struggling to recall names, forgetting conversations, repeating stories, losing focus, and feeling mentally slow. If this is ignored, decline can accelerate. But there is hope grounded in science. The brain has neuroplasticity. It can rebuild connections. It can strengthen memory. It can regain clarity, even after 60. This is not based on opinion, but decades of research from respected neurologists and brain experts. Doctors such as Dr. Lisa Mosconi and Dr. Dale Bree, and institutions like Harvard Medical School, Mayo Clinic, and the National Institute on Aging have shown that brain function can improve through circulation, nutrient support, oxygenation, and mental stimulation. Clinics that apply these principles report improvements in memory, recall, focus, decision-making, and daily functioning. Patients regain confidence. Families notice change. Science is proving that the brain can be supported back to strength. To understand how recovery happens, we must understand what damages the brain with age. After 60, blood flow to the brain often reduces, meaning fewer nutrients and less oxygen reach brain cells. Inflammation increases because of unhealthy diet, stress, and underlying health conditions, which damages neurons and disrupts communication between brain cells. And finally, when the brain is not challenged or stimulated, it stops building new connections. Unused pathways weaken. Memory slows. But this does not mean the brain is finished. It means it is waiting for the right stimulation to heal. Now we must correct some very dangerous misunderstandings. The first harmful belief is memory decline is just normal aging. Mild forgetfulness can be normal, but rapid decline is not. Accepting this belief makes people ignore reversible causes like poor circulation, vitamin deficiency, thyroid problems, sleep disorders, or depression. A 68-year-old man ignored his forgetfulness, thinking it was normal aging, only to later discover that correctable medical issues were worsening his brain health. The second mistake is thinking light daily movement is enough. Lack of meaningful activity reduces brain blood flow and speeds brain shrinkage. A 72-year-old woman dealing with memory issues improved significantly after incorporating structured movement into her daily routine. The third mistake is believing diet does not matter as long as you're eating something. Certain foods cause inflammation, clog vessels, and damage brain cells. A 65-year-old retired teacher experienced constant brain fog until she shifted to a brain-supportive diet and saw her clarity improve dramatically. So, how does brain power return? First, we must restore brain blood flow. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients for brain cells, supporting stronger memory. Research consistently shows that physical movement, proper hydration, and heart health improve brain performance. Seniors should aim for basic daily movement, whether walking, light strength training, stretching, staying hydrated, managing blood pressure, and taking heart health seriously. The brain cannot think well without adequate blood supply. Next comes nourishment. The brain is living tissue that needs fuel. Nutrients like omega-3, fatty acids, antioxidants, and B vitamins support brain structure and function. Eating patterns such as Mediterranean-style or mind-style diets are strongly associated with slower memory decline and sharper cognition. Seniors benefit from including fatty fish or healthy omega sources, leafy greens, berries, nuts, olive oil, and whole grains, while reducing processed foods, excessive sugars, and unhealthy fats. Then we must reactivate neuroplasticity. The brain remains capable of learning and forming new pathways at any age, but only when challenged. Mentally stimulating activities force the brain to build fresh neural connections. Learning languages, playing memory games, reading stimulating material, solving puzzles, or learning music keeps the mind active. Passive scrolling does not help. Real engagement does. Sleep is another critical pillar. Sleep is the brain's repair period, when toxins are cleared and memory is consolidated. Poor sleep leads to accelerated brain aging. Maintaining a fixed sleep schedule, ensuring a dark, quiet sleeping environment, and seeking medical help for snoring or sleep apnea can protect brain health. And finally, social connection plays a powerful role. Loneliness damages brain structure and increases risk of decline, while social engagement supports emotional stability and cognitive strength. Building relationships, joining groups, talking to family and friends, and staying socially active nourishes your brain. If you are finding this information valuable, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment with your age and your biggest brain health concern. This channel is dedicated to helping adults over 60 stay strong, sharp, and independent with medically trusted information. Let us end with hope. Your brain is not finished. Your story is not over. Your thinking years do not have to fade away. Protecting your brain today preserves independence tomorrow. It protects dignity. It reduces hospital visits. It saves medical expenses. Most importantly, it helps you live a life filled with clarity, memory, and connection. Imagine remembering conversations clearly again. Imagine confidence returning. Imagine mental sharpness rebuilding. This is not fantasy. This is neuroscience. Take these steps seriously. Commit to them. Protect your brain. Because brain power truly can return, even after 60. Make sure you subscribe, because upcoming videos will dive deeper into specific foods, exercises, and daily routines that help seniors live stronger, sharper, and longer. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and stay informed.